We often look at the night sky and see a static universe, a gallery of frozen monuments. But rock is not as solid as it seems, and silence can be deceiving. Take Mercury, the closest child of the Sun. For decades, we believed it was a fossil, a geologically dead world where the only change came from the violence of falling meteors. We were wrong. Mercury is not dead. It is shrinking. It is struggling against its own dying heat. Deep within the planet beats a heart of iron, enormous, constituting 85% of the planet's radius. But that heart is cooling, and as it cools, it contracts. It pulls inward, retreating from the surface. Imagine an apple left in the summer sun. As the interior dries and shrinks, the skin, having nowhere to go, must wrinkle to fit the smaller fruit beneath. Mercury is that apple, but its skin is not organic matter. It is kilometers of solid rock. Unlike Earth, Mercury possesses a single, continuous shell, a one-plate lithosphere. It has no tectonic plates to slide gracefully beneath one another. So, when the planet shrinks, the crust has only one option: it breaks. The rock buckles under the immense pressure. Huge sheets of the crust are thrust upward, overriding the terrain to create towering cliffs known as Lobate Scarps. Some of these scarps rise 3 kilometers into the black sky, walls of stone created by the crushing force of a planet collapsing in on itself. Over 4.5 billion years, we calculate that Mercury's total diameter has withered by approximately 14 kilometers. It is a slow, grinding suffocation. But how do we know this isn't ancient history? The answer lies in the smallest details. Data from NASA's Messenger mission revealed something startling: tiny fractures, called grabens, sitting delicately on top of these massive cliffs. On a world bombarded by micrometeoroids, these small fractures should have been eroded into dust eons ago. The fact that they are crisp, sharp, pristine, tells us a terrifying truth. They formed recently, perhaps less than 300 million years ago. Geologically speaking, that is yesterday. It means the planet is likely quaking today. Right now, beneath that silent surface, the iron core is still cooling, the rock is still snapping, and Mercury is still shrinking. It is a reminder that planets are tragic things. They spend their lives trying to hold on to the heat of their birth, only to inevitably lose it to the cold void. The iron heart Mercury is breaking, and in its scars, we read the story of a dying world, fighting to fit inside its own skin.